I'm going to show you how to sharpen your pencil. So if your pencil looks like this, then this is the video for you. So what you need is a pencil sharpener. Now in this case, it may immediately seem impossible to identify where the pencil will go. Can you guess? That's right. It's right here. It can be very difficult to get the pencil in there though, because it's such a tiny hole. Oh. Come on. Dang it. Well, I expected this. This is a very common problem. So, the solution to the problem, place the sharpener right there, that's good. Good enough. And what you need to do is place a piece of paper right here. Good. It's an ordinary piece of paper, nothing fancy. And then draw an arrow. See, the arrow will help lead me to the sharpener. There we go. Yeah, there, see, I followed the arrow. Good. Fantastic. Now I can sharpen the pencil. There. Now the pencil has been sharpened.